Picture this, you're having the worst day. Your alarm didn't go off, your coffee machine broke, and someone cut you off in traffic. Just as you're about to unleash your inner rage monster, a thought crosses your mind. What would a Stoic do? Stoicism, a philosophy born in the chaos of ancient Greece and Rome, is surprisingly suited to modern life. It's not about being emotionless or detached from the world. It's about thriving in the chaos. In this video, we'll dive into what Stoicism is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can use it to deal with life's curveballs. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy founded by Zeno of Citium around 300 BCE. Its core idea, happiness and resilience, come from focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. Unlike many other philosophical systems, Stoicism is less about abstract theories and more about practical tools for living a good life. The Stoics, think Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, weren't monks meditating on mountaintops. They were emperors, slaves, and statesmen navigating real-world challenges. Their philosophy is built for action. Let's break Stoicism down into 4 foundational principles. 1. The dichotomy of control. The first rule of Stoicism is understanding what's in your control and what isn't. In your control, your thoughts, actions, choices, and mindset. Out of your control, other people's opinions, the past, the weather, the economy. Epictetus put it best, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. For example, if your flight gets delayed, you can't change the delay, but you can decide whether to spend the wait stressing out or reading a book. When something upsets you, pause and ask, can I control this? If not, shift your energy elsewhere. 2. Live according to virtue. For the Stoics, a good life isn't about wealth, fame, or comfort. It's about living virtuously. They identified 4 main virtues. Wisdom, make decisions based on reason, not impulse. Courage, face challenges and fears with bravery. Justice, treat others fairly and ethically. Self-discipline, resist temptations and stay focused on what matters. When faced with a dilemma, ask yourself, what's the virtuous choice here? It's not always the easiest path, but it's the one you won't regret. 3. Navigate visualization. Spend a little time imagining worst-case scenarios. Why? To prepare yourself emotionally and appreciate what you already have. Imagine losing your job, then feel grateful you have one now. Picture being stuck in traffic forever, then notice how nice it is to move again. 4. A more fatty love of fate. This is the Stoic mic drop. Don't just accept what happens, love it. Your car breaks down, there's a chance to practice patience. You lose a big deal at work, a chance to learn humility. Marcus Aurelius wrote, the blazing fire makes flames and brightness out of everything thrown into it. Be the fire. When life throws something unexpected your way, ask yourself, how can I use this? At work, your boss criticizes your work in a meeting. Instead of taking it personally, focus on what's constructive. Ask yourself, is this feedback useful? If yes, improve. If no, let it go. In relationships, your partner forgets your birthday. Instead of jumping to anger, remind yourself, they're human, and humans make mistakes. Discuss it calmly and focus on the bigger picture. In daily stress, you spill coffee on your shirt before an important event. Laugh it off. You can't change the spill, but you can control your reaction. Remember, it's a small blip in the grand scheme of life. Why is Stoicism blowing up today? Simple, it's the antidote to modern stress. Social media, constant notifications, and comparison culture make us anxious and reactive. Stoicism helps us. 1. Focus on what truly matters. 2. Stay calm under pressure. 3. Build resilience against life's challenges. Apps like Stoic and books like The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday have brought ancient wisdom to our fingertips. Start your mornings with a Stoic quote. Here's a favorite. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. Misconceptions about Stoicism. 1. Stoics don't feel anything. Wrong. Stoics feel emotions, but don't let emotions control them. It's about responding thoughtfully, not reacting impulsively. 2. It's too serious. No. Stoics find joy in simplicity, appreciating a sunny day or a good meal. They're not anti-fun, they're anti-drama. 3. It's outdated. If anything, it's timeless. Who doesn't need a little extra calm and clarity in 2024? Start your day like a Stoic. Gratitude. List 3 things you're thankful for. Reflection. Think about what challenges you might face today and how you'll handle them. Focus. Set your intention. What's one thing you'll focus on today? Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a toolkit for life. Whether you're stuck in traffic, dealing with a difficult boss, or facing a major life challenge, Stoicism helps you stay grounded. Remember, you can't control the world, but you can control your reaction to it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Share this video to your friends and family. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.